Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create gradient text effect on your Photoshop. So quickly, let's get into it. The first thing you are going to do is go to your type tool. Or you can click on your letter T on your keyboard. Click on letter T to pick your type tool. So let's write out our text. Click on the screen. Then you are going to write your words. So let's click OK. We're going to increase the size here. This size is enough for me. So click on enter. So I'm going to align this to the middle. This is how to do it. Ctrl A. Then you are going to align it horizontally and vertically. So you can deselect it with your Ctrl D, or on MacBook Command D. So you're going to click your text gradient, or you can click it in your layer panel here, and you're going to go to the effects, which is the effect. This is where we're going to do the magic. You're going to click this gradient overlay. Click on it. That's where the real deal is. So I want us to see what we are doing here. So you are going to click on this gradient here. You are going to edit the current gradient there. Photoshop has many gradients on its own that comes with it. Basics, blues, purples, pinks, reds, orange, and so on. There are grays, there are clouds, and so on. But for this, we are going to be creating our own color. We are going to be choosing our color. So let's pick this first stop. Click on the first stop here. Click on your color stop here. So click on it, then click on color. So you'll be able to pick your color by yourself. Pick your color. I'm going to be using a dark blue here. Going to be using a dark blue for this. Think this is okay for me. So click on OK. And you are going to move to the second color stop here. Just click it. And you can also change the color. I want this to be a lighter color. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay. You can also edit your gradient to your taste with this. You can drag this. If you want the gradient, the color to move up, if you want it to move up, you can drag it. But this is not giving me the effect I want for this. So I'm just going to drag it just a bit. This is enough for me. So click on OK. And we have our gradient text effect ready. That's it. This is how we do it. So let's look at the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.